Good morning, everyone. It is 8:02, and it is time for First Alert Weather Extra. I'm First Alert Meteorologist Jill Gilardi here, and this morning we've been tracking to our northwest across the state of not only New York, but eventually into Massachusetts, snow squalls approaching. So we're monitoring for that, but we have a higher impact situation tomorrow with snow impacting more locations that could create slick spots, a higher chance for that. And so tomorrow's a first alert weather day. But nonetheless, let's show you what we are tracking out there. So the snow squall chance is going to be for this morning. Then tomorrow's a first alert weather day. We're going to see pre-dawn snow. That'll lay down enough to create some slick spots for the morning drive. And then some afternoon squalls are part of the mix as well. And believe it or not, we end the work week with wet conditions. Yeah, rain is just in the forecast by Friday. All right, taking a look at the radar across parts of the Northeast, you can see all those warnings or special weather statements. So outlined in the lighter blue, that would be a snow squall warning, special weather statement just under, the strength needed for a warning. So nonetheless, everything's kind of holding together still. So we're expecting as we get towards, 9 o'clock, this will be moving in across northwestern Connecticut. First alert live radar shows Pittsfield, Mass, getting that snow squall right now. The warning includes Stockbridge. Then you go out towards the, Catskills, point westward, dealing with those snow squalls. And as we take a look at our future scan, this exclusive product goes out 1 hour to show us where the snow is going to be moving in. So by the time we get to about 9 o'clock, Salisbury, very close to Heartland, giving you that first alert for that snow expected to move on in. Right now, the clouds are starting to move in across Torrington. It's been bright all morning, but of course, as those squalls get closer, the sky will get darker with clouds building in. Bright conditions right now, live view out of Middletown. We're taking a look in New Haven. Look at that. It's 38 degrees, so above freezing most places. The exception would be Torrington and Salisbury in the lower 30s, and unfortunately, our warmest time of the day is actually pretty much right now, this morning. Now, in terms of stepping outside, it doesn't feel like what the thermometer is saying, unfortunately. We have feels like temperature generally in the 20s, so that's what you need to dress for, that colder feel. As we take a look at that forecast, for inland locations, you're talking about a feel in the upper 20s and even the shoreline, upper 20s, low 30s. But notice by 1 o'clock, with brightening skies, we're only feeling about 23 degrees, so it's going to feel colder this afternoon versus this morning, even though we'll have brighter conditions. Right now, the winds are picking up from the southwest and west, and then eventually northwest as a cold front will be swinging through. These are the sustained wind speeds, 3 to 13 or even 15 miles per hour. We have gusts ranging from 16 to 23, and the wind gust trend is for the numbers to go up even higher. So as the cold front moves in, expect those winds to really start whipping later this morning into the early afternoon. A gust as high as 40 can't be ruled out, and then the winds will gradually kind of back off. Some of the coldest feeling air today, of course, the northwest hills. So you'll be feeling in the teens through the afternoon hours, but through this early morning, once that snow moves in, the winds shift, you'll be feeling into the mid-20s. And again, just to show you a comparison, that feel in the teens northwest, most places inland's lower 20s, and the feel along the shoreline will be a mid and upper 20s. So that's where it won't be feeling quite as bad today. So a front that is just basically weakening as it swings on through this morning. Then here comes a clipper system. It's going to spread snow across our state pre-dawn hours, so tonight into tomorrow morning. That could create slick spots, and then some afternoon either rain or snow showers, maybe ending as some snow squalls, a part of the mix. So tomorrow is the first alert weather day. Pre-dawn snow and an evening squall will be possible. Slick morning commute, that's going to be our biggest concern, a more widespread impact. And of course, with snow coming down, you could run into some poor visibility. The snow forecast for late tonight into early tomorrow, 1 to 2 inches inland and a coating to 1 inch along the shoreline counties. So the farther up you go in elevation, and farther north, that's where you get closer to that 2-inch possibility. And certainly, we are still below average, 14 inches now, and maybe we'll see that part of the number decrease and our total so far increase. So let's show you First Alert Futurecast as we head into the overnight hours. So anytime after 10 o'clock, that snow breaking out, continuing through the pre-dawn hours tomorrow. That batch lifts on out. And then we'll see additional either rain or snow showers developing late morning into the afternoon. Temperatures will be critical as to the precipitation type we see. But nonetheless, there could be some impacts to the evening drive. The winds are going to get gusty as well tomorrow. They'll be picking up and blowing maybe as high as 35 to maybe 40 miles per hour, still on the gusty side. And as we take a look at the feels like trend, the coldest day is Thursday of the next 7, actually. So Thursday morning could start off feeling in the single digits, could be some sub-zero feeling temperatures Thursday morning, especially northwest, and then feeling in the maybe low 20s during the afternoon. So conditions will be getting a little bit better after the cold spell, which is only one day now, but not even cold enough for a First Alert weather day, and that's for Thursday. So again, we're going to become windier as the day goes on. The cold front moves through. We'll be tracking those snow squalls, see how they hold together through the mid to late morning hours here today. And then we're bright the rest of the day. And then at night, here comes another clipper, bringing snow at night into the early morning hours before the sun comes up. First Alert weather day for some slick commute conditions tomorrow. And then tomorrow afternoon, evening, either rain or snow squalls. Thursday, it's cold, it's dry, it's feeling colder because of the wind. Rain showers, that's it for Friday, too warm to support snow. And then for the weekend, we're looking dry and pleasant in the temperature department for Saturday. Sunday is Groundhog Day, and it is going to be close to normal, and there's going to be a system coming through to produce either rain or snow showers. Monday, as of right now, looks to be dry and 40 degrees. But can you believe it? February is just a few days away from beginning. All right, so that is your latest First Alert weather extra update. Of course, on air, we will provide updates on these snow squalls approaching the state. Don't miss a great day at 9 with Scott. All right, everyone, have a great day. And don't forget, we'll be streaming again for First Alert Weather Extra coming up at 9:30 tonight. Take care.